Well, he's in the yearbook. The kid in first is. Takes 100. This would be a fun class if I could be in it. If I was younger, like if I was like 14 or 13. It would be a fun class. Hey, yeah, there's Joey Brillo right there, man. This guy will put him on YouTube. Yes, a bunch of two-strokes is like music to me. You know? I love that. Don't you? Like a bunch of two-strokes, it's awesome. It's like music.